he is who he is, and the public needs to have some time away from this particular defendant. Given the cases this court has on its docket and the behavior of a number of individuals who are part of this area, the court is not sure that deterrence is necessarily possible. What this court hands down with regard to this defendant, I'm not sure is going to have an effect on those others in the community who seem to have no respect for their neighbors or for the law. That said, and it is the hope that this sentence might be thought, might make some individuals think twice about engaging in this type of conduct. But again, given my docket, I'm not sure if that's necessarily the case. That being said, this community does need to feel that those elements that make that community less safe, less desirable, needs to be removed from that community and need to be removed in a significant way. Having looked at the recommendation of the Department of Corrections, as well as the arguments of counsel in this matter, this court believes that appropriate sentences as follows. As to count 4, felony firearms, the court will order that the defendant, Rashad Perez, be remanded to the custody of the Michigan Department of Corrections for purposes of classification and incarceration in a state penal institution for a period of 2 years. Shall be given credit for 175 days served. This sentence is to run consecutive to and preceding the sentence given in count 1. He should also be assessed $68 state costs for that count. As to count 1, the court will order that the defendant, Rashad Perez, be remanded to the custody of the Michigan Department of Corrections for purposes of classification and incarceration in a state penal institution for a period of not less than 360 months, 30 years, more than 720 months, or 60 years.